to do compression check on your car, you have to pull off all the spark plugs, and then you have to pull off the coil wire. Oh, right there. Ready, y'all? 101 breakdown by Riley. So, good is brown or tan coloring. Bad is black. That means you have oil in places oil should not be in. So these are really good. So you need to have a compression gauge, and you have to screw it on to your spark plug ports, and you have to have 2 people in this. So one of them is gonna go in, start the car, and step on the gas all the way until it gets in between 100 and 150, and you're gonna record that number and write it down. So ours went above 150.
175?
Yeah.
Well, about what is it? Yeah, about 160.
So this is the second spark plug.
About 155. That's good. Okay, hit that button.
Third spark plug is about 150. I'm gonna say 150 for that one.
Okay.
Healthy motor. Spark plug number 4, about 170.
The same thing, like 165. Awesome. That is a healthy bottom end.
And now I treat my car right.
That means your rings are sealing really well.
That means my car has been treated right.
It means your valves are seating really well, which is crazy to think because there's so much play in them. But I guess that's just top end